working on this cute little house. We got all of our subfloor down and our loo on. And I'm painting this house this really pretty green inside the kitchen. It's kind of hard to tell, but we'll be putting kitchen cabinets there. Luan's down so that we can get our floor. And this used to have a door here, so we closed it up and turned it into a window. Okay, so we had to put all subfloor down in this whole house. This is our stove that'll go there. We had to pull up all this wood that was used for flooring, but now we have all OSB down here. Cleaning this up in here too. There's just a few more things we have to do. Put some flooring in here. And then we pulled out the old tub and put in a standard 60-inch house tub, and we do some things in here and get the surround up. Flooring down here, and a brand new toilet will come in here. And this is the third bedroom. A lot of work had to get done in here, and this had another door in this room, so we decided to close it up as well and turn it into a window. And that's the surround that's going to go into the bathroom. So the guys should be finished this week, and then Steve and I can come in here, brand new back door here, come back in here and finish up the details. Get some nice flooring, which is this color. That'll look pretty on the floor in the kitchen with the frames going on. And say hi, Steve. We will come in here, Steve and I, and figure out. Used to have a hood vent there, but we're going to put a light, and the stove's going to go right here. We have to get an upper cabinet so we can put a hood up there for the stove cabinets, and then the refrigerator's going to go in that corner. This is a nice little area where you can put a little desk, have a little workstation. That'd be cute. But we're coming along finally. I'll show you the rest when we're finished. This is Joel, and he helps us out a lot, and we so much appreciate what he does. But you know, he was showing me something that I've never seen before, and this is the fun part, because whenever we do mobile homes, we always run into something that we have to show you guys.
And yes, and I thought this was rather ingenious, an actual ingenious fix. And you see how this operates. And I would imagine the guy, either his wife or girlfriend, told him, you don't lift the seat up. Well, he at least met her halfway on this deal here.
That is awesome. You know what? So if anyone loves this idea, it's a new, invention, so to speak, and you don't like toilet seats, go for it.
There you go.